Hello folks and welcome. MX 23.2, latest installment of the Xfce desktop from MX. And I'm using the Advanced Hardware Support Edition, or AHS. But I have a subscriber which I think I got this question right. And I did respond back to this person going, I'm not exactly sure what you're speaking of, but I think I have found out why. So under normal conditions with default, there's a blue border around this box. All right, and that's done with the window manager actually. But I'm going to talk about themes, icon sets, window manager for the most part in this video. And I'll show you what the name of this see-through mouse pointer is if you're curious. But in general, I'll talk about those things and I'll show you where you can get these things if you have never seen any of my videos. And more importantly, we'll talk about removing the blue border. And I'm using this mouse pointer today only because I like this feature to show what I'm talking about. So right where those two boxes are is the border that I believe this person was speaking of. And under default conditions, this would be blue going around this box. And I'll show you that in a minute. I'm filming in 1920 by 1080, so you can adjust your YouTube player accordingly, if necessary. So Linux is for any age, but the name of my channel is Linux for Seniors. You should see an icon floating right above the time and date. It looks very similar to that one, except it has yellow bars on the side. If you don't find that icon there, then you're watching this on someone else's channel, and you can go look me up on YouTube. Linux for Seniors, LFS. Then you can subscribe there if you're missing that icon. All right, so my icon set currently looks like that. I'm going to turn off my hidden, and you can see there's no blue border around the box. All right, and this is what this looks like. Most of this magic is done with appearance, but some of the other magic is also done with your window manager. So currently I'm using Sweet Ambar Blue. Whenever you start this process, may I suggest using your screenshot tool. Hopefully you have a shortcut of it. Some people have a print key on their keyboard. If not, go find your screenshot tool. And you can do the active window and do the screenshot. I'm using a very dark theme today. We can certainly switch that up if you like to. Switch it up to a different thing. Okay, but do a screenshot nonetheless. Active window usually works best. And then save that. Style and icon set. All right, so I was using Futura, and I'll show you how to add some more of these. As soon as you hit add, whether it's a style or an icon set, it generates two folders if they're not there already, and I'll show you those in a minute. The same thing goes with adding a mouse pointer or mouse cursor. It can be done in here, but it'll have to be picked in here. So I have this one installed. These are your default cursors. These are installed in US or share icons. This one is installed in dot icons or period icons. Empty butterfly yellow VR5 is what this thing is called. It is a see-through mouse cursor or pointer. File manager time. Jack is our user for today. It's just a made-up name. If you did not know how to get into your hidden folders, it is Control-H, as in Henry. So I did not create this folder. Normally I do. The period icons folder, or dot icons I call it, is normally where you store your mouse cursors and icon sets for this distribution. I did not install these here. The system did. I normally do though. But I wanted to point out the fact that you can also do this yourself, as long as you have the mouse cursor or icon set available to you. And you can get a link of that on Linux for Seniors in the About section. There are two links to two nonprofit websites that end with look.org. Use the Xfce one because this is Xfce. But they generally share the same database. So this is period icons or dot icons. The other thing that I installed, which is done the same way, through here, add, a style, which is also called a theme, adds a period themes folder. .themes period themes. Sweet Amber Blue. I just showed you that a couple of minutes ago. That's the one that was really dark. It is also what I'm using for a window manager. And you're probably going, well, wait a minute. I'm not too clear on that maybe. Well, I'm not using, this says Graybird here. The icon says Futura. What is this other setting? Well, that's your window manager. That's set for Amber Blue also. Or is set for Amber Blue. This, on the other hand, produces a blue border. And so does MX Comfort. Now I'm going to show you the screenshots that I made before I altered this system. So in here is the window manager. This is default, MX Comfort. That's what I got this set for, and I believe that's what the person was speaking of. The blue halo. And I believe the person mentioned something about, I don't know where he got this advice, to install a blank theme. But of course he didn't get any icons for his window manager. But anyways, you don't need to do that. You just switch to these. Now I have no blue border here. This one produces a blue border. So is this one. So is that one. That's even more pronounced. Thick border. Amber Blue, dark black border. Blue, not blue. Just giving you some examples. That one is black. I'll go with default, arc. It's a white border. You get the idea. I'll switch back to that. That also changes the buttons too, if you noticed. They're different button sets. Okay. So I'm going to stick with that one for right now. All right, but that's normally your default window manager border. It's blue. I believe that's what he was referring to. All right, and if I got that wrong, then I apologize, but at least you got some information out of it. So right now I'm just going to give you a quick install. I have some extra themes that I can, or icon sets that I can install, and I can do it from here or here. It doesn't really matter. But I downloaded these directly from the same website. That's gnome-look or xfce-look.org. And I have a whole bunch of these things. So I'll just install a couple of them. There's one, and I'll do one more. Let's go with this rainbow set. All right, so I'll just use the file manager for this demo. So I'll turn off hidden so you can see this stuff. And we're dealing with icons. This is Candy. No blue border. And this is Sweet Rainbow. Just to give you some examples. This might not be everybody's cup of tea. Standard icon sets. Again, I am using still Sweet Amber Blue for this setting right here. The window manager is still using that. But that's not what this is using over here. I'm using Graybird Dark, which comes with your system, and Papyrus Light. We can go with the other ones, and so forth and so on. So do some mixing and matching, as they say, right? Thank you for watching.